A very good morning to all my dear students. I am Devlok Anand, TGT English, Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Today, I will teach you the use of have and has. It's a very important topic for classes 6 to 8. Even 9th and 10th class also can learn from this. Let us start. Use of have and has. Students, the verbs have and has are used to say about people own or possesses. Right? Here it is very important thing to understand what is this own and possesses. Own and possesses. What people own and possess means what they are having. To express those things, we generally use has and have. They are also used to talk about things that people do or get, such as illnesses. Suppose someone is feeling sick, so has and have will be used there. These words are the simple present tense of the verb have, right? It is very important. Now let us see what it says. Peter has a sore knee. What the picture suggests that Peter is suffering from illness because of the knee problem. So Peter has a sore knee, right? Second picture depicts we have breakfast at 7 a.m. So this is owning and this is possessing. So we have breakfast at 7 a.m. right? Now let us see. Monkeys have long tails. They possess or means monkeys have long tails, right? Similarly, there are many examples. He has a lot of stamps, right? She has long hair. Our house has large windows. I have a younger brother. We have art lessons on Mondays, right? Have a cookie if you like. Dad has a cold. Jenny often has sandwiches for lunch. Now, there must be one thing running in your mind, where to use has and where to use have. Let me make you clear. Dear students, has is used with the third person and singular number. Third person singular number. Right now. Third person singular number. Okay? For example, if we are having he, she, it, or any name. So these are third person and singular number, dear students. And with this third person singular number, we use has. And with the rest persons like first person, second person and third person plural number, we use have. Okay? Is it clear? Let me repeat it again. Where do we use has? This is more important to learn. Third person singular number, when the subject is in third person singular number like he, she, it or any singular noun, then we add has. Okay? And with the rest of the subjects, when it is first person, when it is second person and when it is third person plural number like they and plural nouns, we use have. Okay? Now, let us see the following examples again. He has a lot of stamps. What is he? He is a third person singular number. That's why has been used. Right? Similarly, she has long hair. She is third person singular number. That's why has been used. Right? Our house has large windows. Our house is third person singular number subject. That's why has been used. Similarly, I have a younger brother. I is used with have. Why? Because I is first person and singular number, not the third person singular number, right? That's why I have has been used. Next thing, we have art lessons on Mondays. We is first person and plural number. That's why it is added with have. Okay? Next question is, next sentence, let us see. Have a cookie if you like. So what is a cookie? A cookie is third person, but it is singular number, but it is plural number right now. So have a cookie if you like. Dad has a cold. So dad here is third person singular number. That's why has been used. Jenny often has sandwiches for lunch. So what is Jenny? Jenny is third person and it's singular name. That's why has been used. Right? I hope you are understanding. Now let us do next thing. Use has with he, she, it and with singular nouns. I have made you clear these things. Use have with I, you, we, they and with plural nouns. Why? Because I have told you that he, she, it are all third person singular number. That's why we use has with them, and I, you, we, they, these are all first person, second person and third person plural number. That's why have to be used, right? Here is a table to help you remember the rules. Let us see. First person, I, singular is I, with I we will use have. First person plural number, it is we, and with that we will use have. Second person, you and you. With both you and you, we will be using have, right? And third person singular number, he has, she has, it has, and similarly in the third person plural number, they have, right? Now learn these contractions. What is the contractions of I have? I oblique I apostrophe ve. I have. You have. You apostrophe ve. He has. He apostrophe s. She has. She apostrophe s. It has. It apostrophe s. Similarly, we have. They have. Haven't. Hasn't. Right? Now let us see further. Exercise we have. First exercise, let us do it. Fill in the blanks with have or has. Now keep the things in mind what I have taught you. With third person singular number, which is he, she and it, we use only has, and with rest other subjects we use have. Let us do the following exercise. We dash a new science teacher. So what is we here? Let us learn what is we here. We is first person plural number. That's why we need to use have with it. We have. Okay? Understanding? Now, what is he here? He has a bad temper. So he is third person singular number. That's why we will be using has. He has a bad temper. Okay? Now I will write here. I often dash fruit for dessert. I is first person. That's why with I we will be using have. I have fruit for dessert. Right? Now number 4. You dash a good chance of winning the prize. What is you? You belongs to second person, na? Singular and plural both. That's why we will be using you have. Right? You have a good chance of winning the prize. Similarly, she belongs to third person singular number. She always dash a meal for breakfast. She always has. Right? Similarly, the next 6th number, the broom dash a blue handle. The broom is third person and a singular number. That's why it is added with as. The broom has a blue handle. Right? Next number 7, they. They is a third person but it is a plural number. That's why we need to use have with it. They have any problem. They never have any problem with tests. So this is okay from my side. I hope you are learning. Now let us see next. Exercise number 2, and this is the last exercise for the use of has and have. Let us see, fill in the blanks with have or has. Again the same things you have to apply with third person singular number like he, she, it and any singular noun we use only has, right? And with rest of the subjects we use have. Let us see and do one by one. First question, the girls dash golden hair. So here it is the girls. Girls is no doubt students. Third person, but it is plural number. Right now, the girls have golden hair. The girls have golden hair. Is it okay? Now, second question, an insect dash 6 legs. An insect. It is third person and singular number, an insect. Right? We are talking about one insect now. That's why we will be using an insect has 6 legs. Right? Number 3, dad dash his cell phone with him. What is dad here? Dad belongs to third person and singular number. That's why dad has his cell phone with him. Right? Number 4, the children. The children belong to third person and plural number. That's why we shall be using have. The children have a new swing set. Right? Next question number 5. Many poor people. Many poor people. It is not talking about singular. That's why it is third person plural number. Many poor people have nothing to eat. Okay. I hope you are learning well, understanding also. Now number 6, Chicago dash a very big airport, right? Chicago is a name of a city, right, which is in USA. So Chicago is third person singular number. So Chicago has, right, a very big airport, right? A triangle dash 3 sides. You know about triangle in mathematics. 3-sided figure is known as triangle. So a triangle, it's a third person singular number. A triangle has 3 sides. Okay. Now number 8, the man dash 2 daughters. The man is third person and singular number. The man has 2 daughters, right? The man has 2 daughters. Similarly, James. James, it is added with S, but actually it's a noun, singular name, right? James is a name of someone. James has a toothache. Toothache is a disease associated with the teeth. Problem of teeth, that is called toothache, right? And the last question, all the passengers dash the tickets. All the passengers here is third person plural number. That's why we will be using have with it. All the passengers have. I hope students, the use of has and have should be clear with you, and I hope you have learned well. Thanks for today. Next thing in the next video. Keep learning. Thank you so much.